Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we've got a double unboxing today. First one is from Trotco. Packed nicely. And these are should be that one doesn't look too great. CPDs, Celestial Pearl Danios. So we should have 20 of them. And that's it for this box. Another 10. And in case you've been keeping up with our channel recently, you're probably noticing we're getting a lot of Danios in. We're really geeking out on them. So we're hoping to breed all of them as soon as they're mature enough. Okay, that's this box. And our next box . So first up we have some male guppies. These are called red cap cobra guppies. The reason we've got these is we're going to be doing a few more crossbreeds with we're going to cross these ones with our tiger endlers, see what the outcome of that is. They're quite nice. So yeah, just giving us a few more options to do some crosses. And finally we have first rainbow fish in our fish room, which are Celebes Rainbowfish. 10 of these. Can't really see them. Right, we'll get them in the tanks and show you what they look like. The Celebes, or Celebes, however you want to pronounce it, rainbowfish are in their new temporary quarantine home. All looking good so far, no sign of disease or distress from transit. We're a bit surprised by the size these came in, as they appear to be fully grown, and typically when we order fish online they normally come in as juveniles, so that was a welcome surprise. They haven't fully coloured up yet, as they've only been in the aquarium for about an hour, so I'm sure you guys can appreciate that. They're going to look much better by the morning. We've kept these fish on and off throughout the years, but this will be the first time we're attempting to spawn them, so that should be interesting. We also have a couple of other dwarf rainbowfish on the way, the fork-tailed blue-eye rainbowfish and the red neon blue-eye rainbowfish. So we're looking forward to getting stuck into them, and probably going to end up with a rainbow rack in the fish room to go with our shrimp shelf and Danio den. These are the red cap cobra guppies. We could only obtain males from this line, but it suits our needs, as the idea is just to do a few more crossbreeding projects with them. We've separated some virgin female grow-outs from our yellow tiger endler and metal black lace guppy strains. They just need a few more weeks to mature before we mix them together. Hopefully the crosses produce something unique and worthy of pursuing, or the crosses might end up another dead end like our other attempts so far. We will of course post videos on these crosses once the fry have matured and coloured up completely, so look out for them future videos. Then of course next we have the CPDs. They're all doing well. Well, saying that, they're not all doing well. We had 2 DOAs and 2 more have perished since, so the rest of them seem to be doing okay. But not all of them, unfortunately. But that's just the way it is when you order fish online. We did have another delivery of fish the other day, but we decided not to record it, basically because the fish came in a really poor state. There was originally 20 Phoenix Rasboras, which are a cousin to the Chili Rasbora, and 16 dwarf emerald Danios. Most of the dwarf Danios were in such an emaciated state, it just didn't want to put it on camera. We've lost most of them. We've managed to salvage 4 and the majority of the Phoenix Rasbora are doing fine. But yeah, sad to say, some places do send out fish that you would not look twice at if you saw in a store. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing and video, guys. So if you like the vid, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and we will be back shortly with more unboxing, more guppy and lacrosse videos, and summer tubbing and fish room updates. Thanks for watching. As always, take care, guys.